Here we are in my shop. I'm 3D printing, but I don't have space for my spools. I'm actually putting them on a pole right now, and we bought this to organize ourselves. So I have this desk I built myself for, just to work on soldering things and burning things and so forth. So this, I don't care what happens to the table. So I am gonna mount something high that I could put my filaments in here, and that's why I ended up buying this rack with the instructions. So I'm gonna set it up and see how well it works. I'm gonna build it first. I'm gonna measure it to see how much it has to stick out and how high I can do it. So I am gonna do that part of it. Let's go ahead and put it together. I'm 50% almost done. I still need the last poles here to hang on here for the last bit of a minute. So there's two of them, and these are 26 inches apart. So I'm gonna make some sort of racket here with 3 poles, 26, and then I'm making sure that I'm gonna make a wall too, so I could actually start hanging things in here, tools and so forth. So let's see how it comes out. So let's go ahead and start. Finally finished my workbench, so I end up stretching it out because if I lower it down, this thing would be hitting my printer. So it's large. You're gonna need space. All right, so I set it up this high. I set it up pretty much my whole entire area, so it looks well, and I like this. Just make sure that you have this cap on for the last end. I still have a lot of filament to fill up. Unfortunately, it's not gonna fit all in here, but we fit the majority of a couple of spindles that I have that I used and constantly use. So I'm gonna keep them here, and I can always swap them out and have everything in hand. Visually I can see them. I like this part of it. I like that they give you other options too. If you guys can see, there's also some extra holes in there that you could add for shorter ones, because I do have these little tiny short ones that I got gypped from Temu and other places. So